Welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, hold up, wait a minute, let me put some boom on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates family. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, y'all. And in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are making a fishbowl slushy slime, you guys. I've been wanting to make this slime forever, so I'm really excited to show you guys how to make it. So make sure you watch the video. Also, make sure you see if you got a shout out at the end of the video. So let's go. So we're going to start by using 8 ounces of Elmer school glue. You can use any school glue you like. I'm using 8 ounces of Elmer school glue. However, if you can use 4 ounces if you like. Now we're just going to do a simple baking soda contact lens solution slime. So that's what I'm going for here. We're going to mix in that baking soda until it's combined. Once the baking soda is officially combined, you want to begin and add your contact lens solution to it. So make sure you add your contact lens solution to your baking soda. The contact lens solution I'm using is the Up and Up brand. So Up and Up is the Target brand, while the contact lens solution for Walmart is the Equate brand. You guys know I love my generic versions of everything. So that's what we're going to use for this DIY. So I just mixed it together. Now we're going to add the poly pellets. I'm using a cup of poly pellets. However, if you don't have poly pellets, you can use any type of beads to make this easy slushy slime. This part is just I'm mixing it in, so I really wanted to go fast for this part. Now, once you've mixed in all those poly pellets, we're going to break up our slime in 5 to 6 increments, I think. And what you see me doing is just patting it really well, because essentially what I'm going to do is color these slimes and make them really pretty. So I'm just doing it in 5, I think it's either 5 or 6 increments. We'll see in a minute, you guys. I'm really excited for this beautiful slime slash Rubik's Cube we are about to make. So right now I'm using red food drops. I'm actually using color food drops for this, you guys. I got these color food drops at Winco. You could get them anywhere. I'm using red, yellow, blue. I'm using a green, and the last one I haven't decided what I want to use for it, so I'm just going to set it to the side till I think about it, because I didn't have any more color drops left for the last one. So I'm just going to mix them up, and you're going to see me mix each color until they are all finished. So once I finished the last color, I decided that I was just going to make an orange color. So I used 2 drops of red and 1 drop of yellow for the orange color. I'm just going to mix that in until it turns orange, you guys. Once it turns orange, then we're going to add it to make our cube slime. So you guys, stay tuned for the end of the video so you guys can see the crunchiness of this slime. This slime is so crunchy. I'm just going to show you guys what I did to it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check me out live tonight at 4:30, and we stay on a long time. Our live streams are lit. Make sure you follow me on all my social media sites, and I really hope you enjoyed this crunchy fishbowl slime. Love you guys so much. Bye. the shout out for this Tuesday goes to this lovely person right here. And this lovely person right here. Thanks so much for playing the emoji game with me this Saturday. If you would like a shout out, you have to play the emoji game with us every Saturday so you could be a part of our Shout Out Tuesday fam. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. What are you talking about? I don't know what she's talking about. What are you talking about? Oh, she's drooling. I love you guys so much. Bye.